Day 93 of the quarantine. We got the boys out here doing some photo shoot action. Skimber over there. Yeah, everybody's looking real smooth today. What's that? Do it. We're hitting a couple spots right now, trying to see some new areas, take some good pictures and shit. I got a few spots we got thought up of, so we're gonna check those out. And then we gotta do some rolling shots. Yeah, I don't have any rolling shots in my car yet, so I need to do that still. Well, your car's wide as fuck, low as fuck, and it's just nasty. You dumb thing. Wide as hell. Yeah. Always come prepared. You never leave the house without tire shine. Hey, he's like sponsored. He about to get the good shot. Why does it look wrapped? Oh my god.
What the fuck?
It looks like it's wrapped.
Dude, I love it. Dude, the mineral white is so dude.
This camera, the camera is doing it so different than what it actually looks like. You know it's real when you got the mask hanging from your rear view. That's when you know you're clout god right there. Ooh. Emmer's got the long booty.
I also brought out some props just so we can get some cool shots.
Oh shit, what we got? What the puppets? Hell yeah! Follow my boy Emra. 435 Kakashi. Can't even fucking see it. There it is. Yeah. Follow the boy.
Can we get it? Okay, how about this? Will you record from like over there? Or even that, you got a mic, bro. I just want to rip it down here and get an intake clip.
Whoa.
Dude, that's insane.
Hey, give it a little.
I just wanna see the paper. $1 million bill on me, but you ain't there to tell ya. Why you wanna fuck with me? I just wanna see the paper. $1 million bill on me, but you ain't there to tell ya.
So we just got done shooting at our second location. We're about to head over to our third location. And then from there, we may go out and do some rolling shots. I'm not really sure. I'll keep you guys posted as to what time. Jesus Christ, these fuckers are loud. But yeah, I'll be posting pictures in the videos, and I'll see you in the next shot. Before we go to the next spot, I actually just saw this brick wall behind us. I thought it looked pretty fucking cool, so we're about to take some pictures here real quick. Final location, we're gonna take a couple more pics here. Last location, a cop pulled up, kind of told us to leave. So here we are, we're in our third, actually fourth location now. Gonna get some good pics here, and then we're gonna go do some rolling shots maybe, and we'll probably be done for the day. Crispy. Got a couple good spots out here for sure. Not gonna lie though, that booty be looking clean. Bro, I'm telling you, D-badged was definitely the move.
Dude, I know. It looks so much cleaner.
Probably 20 minutes. Literally. If you take 20 minutes, a hair dryer or heat gun, some floss, Goo Gone, maybe a little rubbing alcohol or something, just cleans it up. And then that $5 nice Walmart tinted plate, that'll do you real nice. Keep the aesthetic going. By the way, if you live around Fort Wayne area, you know some good spots for pictures, please, for the love of God, let us know. Put it in the comments below or something, just so we know, so we can get some good fucking photography for once. Oh yeah. Yeah, I totally forgot that after we left yesterday, I didn't even close out the video. Basically, we took a couple more pics. We headed out. We didn't get any rolling shots, but we did get a ton of really good pictures. So if you haven't already, I'll have a link down below to my Instagram where you'll see all the pictures that we took today. So just go ahead, follow the Instagram page, and then you'll be able to see all the pictures that we took. We'll be looking to take rolling shots next time we go out once we get a couple more people to go with us. But thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Like the video, subscribe, all that bullshit. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time.